So Lost in the Law, Navigating Civil Legal Issues in Wisconsin is a project that the Marquette Law School, Legal Action of Wisconsin, New Leaders Council, and the Milwaukee Justice Center have been working on for about a year to provide participants an opportunity to walk in the shoes of self-represented litigants across the state of Wisconsin. It's an opportunity for people who are familiar with the legal system and people who are not familiar with the legal system to understand what it might be like to navigate a civil legal issue on your own with limited resources and limited opportunities in your particular area. Some places in Wisconsin have a lot of options for people and other places do not. But the concerns of individuals are the same. People are dealing with very difficult situations all by themselves and are walking into courtrooms and walking into legal situations without the knowledge needed to best advocate for themselves.
Marquette Law students work every day to create greater access to justice for particularly folks in Milwaukee. About 67% of law students do some form of pro bono work. One of the biggest projects students do is at the Milwaukee Justice Center, where they'll help people to complete some kind of legal form, usually related to family law, so that folks can navigate a pretty complicated system, but aren't going it entirely on themselves.
We help about 10,000 people each year through the different services at the Milwaukee Justice Center through the wonderful volunteer hours of law students and volunteer attorneys and some undergraduate students as well. The Milwaukee Justice Center is able to assist those who may not qualify for representation through civil legal aid organizations like Legal Action of Wisconsin, Legal Aid Society, but yet they still have an issue or a concern. Many counties across the state that don't have access to resources like the Milwaukee Justice Center, yet still have people who are trying to navigate the legal system on their own. The court offices then are left to try to provide some direction, but they cannot provide legal advice, and people feel frustrated and alone in their issue.
Pro bono work and involvement in access to justice issues should just be habitual. It should be a habitual part of being a lawyer. So the time to start that and for somebody to work it into their profession is at the very outset of their profession, which is day one of law school. And if it can become a habit then, it should be a habit forever.